Today we are going to know what Conservaheat do and how it can make a difference in your life. Let's talk about Conservaheat. We have a wide range of insulation systems, which are specially designed for your conservatories and installed by our experts. Over 30,000 of these systems have been installed in the past 10 years, with positive customer reviews. Installation typically takes just one day to minimize disruption for our customers. Now moving towards our products, conservatory roof insulation. The most cost-effective way to transform your unused conservatory into an all-year-round living space at a fraction of the cost of a new tiled roof. Tiled conservatory roof. Go the extra mile and transform the appearance of the outside of your conservatory roof and the inside with our tiled conservatory roof system. Now the question arises, why choose Conservaheat conservatory roof insulation? Here are the reasons why to choose. We gave you the option to buy now and pay later in 12 months' time, if required. 10-year insurance-backed guarantee on our product. With government support, you have to pay 0% VAT as it's an energy-saving product. We successfully installed over 20,000 insulation systems. We gave a 20% discount to Conservaheat customers. We have nationwide coverage in UK. Have you ever wondered how Conservaheat could benefit you? Your conservatory can be the go-to spot for a little relaxation. We offer a free, no-obligation demonstration, survey and quotation system, which help you make informed decision. Not only is our product top of the line, but so is the service that accompanies it. Don't hesitate to contact us today for a free quotation.